can provide more details about API Management Architecture. API Management Architecture is a comprehensive approach to managing APIs that involves several stages and components. Here's a more detailed breakdown of each component. 1. API Gateway. The API Gateway is a key component of API Management Architecture that acts as a reverse proxy between the API provider and the API consumer. It's responsible for routing requests to the correct endpoints, enforcing security policies, and handling traffic management. It can also perform other functions such as caching responses, request-to-response transformation, and rate limiting. 2. Developer Portal. The Developer Portal is a web-based interface that allows developers to discover, test, and consume APIs. It provides documentation, code samples, and other resources to help developers integrate APIs into their applications. It also provides tools for API versioning, testing, and monitoring. 3. API Gateway Management. API Gateway Management provides a set of tools for configuring and managing the API Gateway. It includes features such as rate limiting, authentication, and caching. It also provides tools for monitoring API usage and performance, and for troubleshooting issues. 4. Analytics and Monitoring. Analytics and monitoring tools provide insights into how APIs are being used and help identify issues before they impact users. They can track metrics such as API usage, response times, and error rates. They also provide tools for log analysis, tracing, and debugging. 5. Security. Security is a critical component of API Management Architecture. It includes a set of policies and tools to protect APIs against threats such as unauthorized access, data breaches, and denial of service (DOS) attacks. Security features can include authentication and authorization, encryption, and threat detection. API Management Architecture provides several benefits for organizations that use APIs. It enables them to expose their services as APIs to internal and external developers, allowing them to build new applications and services more quickly and efficiently. It also provides a way to manage APIs throughout their life cycle, ensuring they are performing optimally and meeting the needs of the organization and its users.